Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get this halo eye holiday makeup look with a red lip. If you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm starting this look off by priming my eyelids with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral. And with a MAC 212 brush, I'm just smoothing that all over my lid. I'm now going to set that concealer with Airspun Translucent powder, and it looks like this. I tapped off my brush and I'm just going to apply a light layer over it so it helps our eyeshadows blend a little bit easier. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I'm dipping into Orange Soda first. I tapped off my brush a little bit and we're applying this as our transition shade. With that same MAC 224 brush, I'm dipping into Burnt Orange, and we're just gonna apply this a little bit lower than Orange Soda. Pick up a little bit more and tap off your brush. And I just kind of put it in this outer corner first and then blend it out. Still keeping it lower than the last shade. With a MAC 217 brush, I'm dipping into Rustic, and I'm gonna start applying that to that outer corner. And you just kind of pack it on, and then whatever's left over on the brush, just kind of blend out the edges. With the Morphe M506, I am going back into Rustic, and I'm just going to start applying it to the inner corner of my eyelid. And this shade, you don't want it to really go past like the crease whenever you open your eye. You want to just stick it right here, because if it goes too far up, it's going to look a little bit off. So just keep it low in that corner. I'm going back into the outer corner now. And I picked up a little bit more Rustic. Just want a smaller brush just because it's a lot easier to blend without getting the eyeshadow all over the place. You have a smaller brush versus a fluffier one. I'm going back in with that MAC 217, gonna blend it out. Now I'm just gonna build it up again because we lost the color. It's all about going back and forth and blending. And you might lose some color, but you can just go back and add a little bit more. This is really gonna help diffuse the look and make sure that it's super blended. Now I'm dipping into Cypress Umber with that same Morphe brush, M506, and now I'm applying it to the outer corner again. Every dark shade that you dip into, you want to go and put it a little bit lower than the last shade. And these shades have a lot of fallout, but it's okay. That's why we do our foundation afterwards whenever we're doing like dramatic looks. I just wiped off some of the eyeshadow because we were looking a hot mess. Now going back in with Cypress Umber, I'm going to start going in this inner corner. And whatever is left over, I kind of just start putting it in my crease right here. A little bit above, and with the MAC 217 brush, go back over the edges to blend everything out. Now I'm dipping into Noir, and I'm gonna apply this a little bit lower than Cypress Umber again. And I always tap off my brush when I'm using dark shades. And I'm just taking a makeup wipe and cleaning up. Just applying some Tarte Shape Tape to the back of my hand. And with the MAC 242 brush, I'm just going to pick it up on both sides. Same thing like how we do with cut creases. So you want to start off in the center and then take it up to the middle right here. Pick up some more concealer. You kind of just want to curve it. And you just want to kind of apply it like that, so then just in the center of your eye. And with another clean brush, I'm just going to kind of blend the edges so it's easier to blend later. Now I'm going to mix Fairy and Bronze together. And I'm just going to apply it up to my crease. And on top of that concealer. And this is going to act as like a spotlight in the middle of the eye. I dip back into Noir and I'm just going to blend the edges. I'm picking up some more Noir. I'm going to come in this inner corner. Now I'm going to apply Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner in Trooper just along my lash line. In the next clip, you'll see that I did my brows off camera, but if you want to see how I normally do my brows, then you can check out the video that's going to be linked at the end of this tutorial. I'm going in with my Covergirl Lash Blast Mascara, the one I always use. Going in with Heavy Metal Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay. Okay guys, I went ahead and did my face routine off camera, but you can check that out in my other videos, and I will also have all the products listed down below in the description box. With a Morphe E36 brush, I'm going into Nylon by MAC. And I'm just gonna place it in this inner corner, just to brighten everything up, and also right underneath my brow, just to highlight. I also put on some Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. You don't have to do this step, but I wanted a little bit more fullness in my eyelashes. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna start off with Sienna. With Maybelline Gel Liner and my MAC 266 brush, I'm just going to apply this to my waterline. And also a little below. With a MAC 214 brush, I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Noir eyeshadow to blend that out. Now I'm going in with MAC Cherry Lip Liner. And with MAC Feel So Grand, I'm just gonna fill in my lips. Okay guys, that completes this makeup tutorial on the Halo Eye Holiday Makeup with the red lipstick. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. I hope you guys have a good one and I'll catch you next time. Bye!